Blue Yeti, YouTube's most favorite mic. Okay, as far as I know, this is one of the most favorite creator mics of all time. If you are starting out on YouTube and if you want a good quality audio, this is the mic so many people suggest. So, as a Blue Yeti user myself, these are my opinions on it. First and foremost, it's one well built microphone, complete metallic unibody with so much premiumness to it. I mean, you could literally feel the quality once you take it out of the box. But other than quality, you could also feel one more thing, and it's the weight. This mic is quite heavy, and clearly, this mic is not meant to carry around. It's made for a desk only purpose, and the company is not shy about it. They're embracing it by adding a lot of heftiness to the mic. Also, this microphone can be folded like this, and once folded, it's small, but when unfolded, it's quite big. Wait, let me say this again. When unfolded, it's quite big. And I wanted to stress here because I know that there are some of you who wanted to hide your mic from your shot. But I really don't think it's possible here. I mean, you can do if you try to zoom in a lot or mess with the camera settings around, but it's not easy. Trust me, it's not easy. Now, let's talk about the category to which Blue Yeti belongs, condenser microphones. As mentioned, Blue Yeti is a USB condenser mic, and being a condenser mic, it's a very sensitive mic. And if you know a little bit about microphones compared to dynamic mics, shotgun mics, or even zoom mics, which are mostly used for field recordings, these are very sensitive. In terms of sensitivity, I would put it along with zoom microphones, which are also very sensitive. So, you might have understood where I'm going with this. Being a sensitive mic, it could pick up background noise easily, so you need to be in a controlled environment. Here I'm not telling you to be in a complete soundproof room, but a room which does not have much noise with minimal echo should work fine. And thankfully, to minimize this background noise pickup, Blue Yeti comes with 4 pickup patterns. Stereo mode, which picks up sound from left and right channels. Cardioid mode, which picks up sound only from the front direction. Omnidirectional mode, which picks up sound equally from around the mic, I mean all 4 sides. And the final one is bidirectional mode, and this mode picks sound from front and the back of the microphone, and this is kind of ideal for a two-person interview. So yeah, what you saw right now are the 4 pickup patterns, but mostly, I mean in 95% of the cases, Blue Yeti is used with cardioid pickup pattern. So in this pattern, the mic normally picks sound only from the front, which is ideal for in-room on-camera recordings. Now let's hear the sample audio recordings of all these pickup patterns. Roses are red, hope our love is never dead. Roses are red, love you with my heart and my head. Roses are red, romance is not dead. Roses are red, hope our love is never dead. Roses are red, love you with my heart and my head. Roses are red, romance is not dead. Roses are red, hope our love is never dead. Roses are red, love you with my heart and my head. Roses are red, romance is not dead. Roses are red, hope our love is never dead. Roses are red, love you with my heart and my head. Roses are red, romance is not dead. Just a disclaimer, as I was in a controlled environment, some of these recordings might have sounded the same, so please use headphones for understanding the difference better. Now let's talk about one of the major advantages of a USB mic, which is plug and play. This Blue Yeti connects directly to a laptop via USB cable and records the audio directly to your laptop via the software you use. The benefit of this is it's easy to record and there is no preamp required. But there is also a downside to it, and that is you need to have your laptop for your Blue Yeti to work. I mean, this is something that you should definitely have in your mind. Now, the final question, can you buy this? Yes. If you are in a decent controlled room with minimal to no echo, this mic sounds really good. It's very clear with its recordings in those scenarios. Also, you have to keep in mind that this is a big mic and hiding it in camera is really hard. So if you are searching for some compact USB mics, then I'll provide links to some in the description down below. So my final verdict is this is one of the best mics if you are fine with the above points that I mentioned. And for 11,000 Indian rupees, this can be our next video partner. So guys, that's pretty much about this video. Hope you guys like it and I'll talk to you in my next video.